Good morning. Let's talk about the Nifty view for Tuesday. If you have been seen our video for Monday, we have been clearly discussing we will not short the market. Reason Nifty is in a sort of a mood or in a trend where Nifty is looking on buy on dips. We have been very clear, if we get the market at a discounted price, we will like to long the market. On Monday, what has happened? Nifty opened with a gap down and came down to roughly around 25,906 odd levels, and a buying came and rough Nifty roughly came up to 26,045 odd levels from the lower levels. Now basically what happens, lot of institutions will have a demand order at 25,900 odd levels when market is in a bull run. Okay, when we are in a bull run, when market is making higher highs, higher lows, and there is a sudden gap down in the market with prior candles in good condition, with good green candles, good breakout about 20 moving average. These sort of orders are to trap the short sellers. Market will try to trap the short sellers who will try to short the market in first 5, 10, 15 minutes. So it is very important when the daily structure of a stock or any index is good and there is a gap down, it is a sort of a buying opportunity as we are getting the price at a discounted level. Obviously we need to see 5, 10, 15 minutes time frame and need to see when the impact high is broken. When the first swing is broken, we will like to enter long in the market. Now what could happen on Tuesday? Nifty is again facing a resistance at 26,060 odd levels. If the market is not able to clear 26,060 odd levels, we will like to wait till this level is cleared. Okay, and if there is a big gap up of around 100 odd points, we will not like to long the market, because market has got now multiple resistances as at 26,100, 200, 300 odd levels. And if market again opens with a gap down, we will like to take an opportunity to long the market at a price where we can see reversal. And if the market is sideways and trades about 26,060 odd levels, so then we can try and lock the market only in a situation if market is sideways, then going up about 26,060 odd levels, then we could try and long the market. If we have got a gap up in the market of around 100 points, we will try to avoid the longs in the market, because now market has got multiple resistances at each 100 levels. So we will not long the market if there is a gap up. And again, if there is a gap down, we will try to long the market, and there the expiry could maybe around 26,000. And operators or FIs may try keep a sideways expiry for Tuesday. So we need to keep all these things in mind before trading, and need to see the the footsteps what institutions are doing. And again, there is a learning. If there is a well structured market and suddenly there is a small gap down, we should try and see to long the market, because we are getting the price at a discounted level. Operators or institutions always can't place the order at a price, so they try and get a discounted price and trap the short seller. So kindly keep all these points in mind. Mark 26,060 odd levels on your chart and see how does the market sustain above this level. Is the market opening with sideways or a gap down? If we get a gap down, then obviously it is a good opportunity to long the market. And if there is a gap up, then we will try to avoid the trade for Tuesday and see how does the market perform. And the reason behind, market has now got multiple resistances, and we will like to avoid these sort of resistances in the market. Thank you.